What's going on, YouTube? My name is Todd, and my blog is thexking.com. In today's video, I asked a question I saw on Quora. It's pretty interesting. This person asks, how do you make lots of money with simple games? It says simple games. So what are simple games that can make you a lot of money? Now, that's sure, what kind of games? Are board games? Is it video games? Is it virtual reality games? Is it arcade games? But let's do some games in general. Now, my next big, one of the things I want to do is have a gaming channel. Because I play Xbox sometimes, once this thing in focus. I play the Xbox, and I would like to, I have a Twitch channel, but I would like to monetize my Twitch channel and make money gaming, because you can make a lot of money just playing video games. And back then growing up, playing N64 and then Super Nintendo, it was a waste of time. You couldn't make money, but nowadays you can monetize it and you can make money doing it. So the way I would do it with making money with games or any kind of card game or board game is, first of all, you have to record your gameplay. If you play a board game, you can still record that. Most people watch card games and video games and Xbox and PlayStation. You could try to put it on Twitch. Twitch is a channel that could broadcast video games. There's YouTube gaming. There's Mixer. You can upload your you can stream live the games you're playing. And after you build a certain amount of following, you can monetize your channel. You could also record your gameplay. Record your gameplay and put those on YouTube. So you have a gaming channel, and you could go through the highlights of your video, and get a nice little video to put on YouTube. So those are ways you can monetize it. And then you can also promote gaming products, strategy guides. You can promote your equipment that you're using, your controller. You can promote a lot of products associated with electronics and gaming. So, but probably one of the main sources is going to be ads, maybe be affiliate for GameFly, which is a game company that a lot of people to rent games, any games they want, as a membership. So you could be an affiliate for that and make money. So that can work too. So what a board game, I don't think people watch board games, but you never know. But if you're doing any type of gaming, that's a system or your cell phone, create you a separate gaming channel on YouTube and just record your gameplay. And you can host it on Twitch or your YouTube gaming. And once you build a certain amount of following, you can monetize with ads. You can promote GameFly or other strategy guides or other, your game controller, game systems that way. So that's another way to make some income. If you have kids who play video games all the time, who's big into gaming, it's a definite, start them a YouTube channel and let them monetize their YouTube channel and make some money from it. There's people out there who make millions dollars a year just recording their gameplay and putting it on YouTube, and they'll last forever. So pick a game. If you want to start a game, pick a game that's not oversaturated, but people are still playing. Because Call of Duty, stuff like that, Madden, 2K, that content gets outdated within a year because the newer game comes out every year. But some games don't get outdated, like Division 2 just came out recently, or a couple months ago, 4 or 5 months ago in March. So you could do that and do that game for a while, and then go to another game, and your Division gameplay will be relevant until the new Division comes out. So you could, like Resident Evil 2 could be a good game you could get into if people still play that game until they make a new Resident Evil. People are still gonna play that game. So that's a simple way to make money gaming. Start your YouTube channel, start a Twitch channel, promote products through there, promote GameFly, record your videos, build a nice following. Once you get 1,000 subscribers, and I forgot how many hours, 4,000 watch time, you can monetize your videos as well. And the more videos you put up, the more money you make. So that's how I would do gaming and how to make money. My name is Ty for thexking.com. Thanks for watching.